Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping and making the first loop. Cleanse and dry the area, then choose 100% cotton thread about 18 to 24 inches long. Tie the ends into a small loop so it forms a band. Hold that band between your thumbs and index fingers. Once done, twist the center 10-15 times to create the working X. This forms the comb that traps hair. Make sure to keep tension in the loop, so the twist moves smoothly when you open and close your fingers. You now focus on trapping hair and removing it efficiently. Position the twisted center over a short row of hairs, then use your free hand to stretch skin taut below the target area. Once positioned, open one hand and close the other to slide the twist. Think of a tiny moving trap that pinches at the follicle. Work in small sections, moving along the hair growth to reduce breakage. Make sure to maintain steady tension and a controlled rhythm so hairs come out cleanly and consistently. You finish by combing the skin and checking results. Apply a cool compress or aloe gel for 5-10 minutes and avoid heavy products for the next 24 hours. If you see missed hairs, retension the loop and repeat small passes rather than pressing harder. Now, a key troubleshooting tip. If the thread keeps slipping or fraying, cut a fresh length and ready. Old thread loses grip. Alternatively, adjust your twist count to 10-15 twists for optimal trapping without shredding the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.